What's up, guys? It's Meaty Mike. My name's Mike and I love meat. Today, we're firing up the smoker and cooking up a stuffed pork loin. Let's do it. Alright, so today we're stuffing a pork loin and we're going to jump right in. I'm just going to flip it on its side and just cut it in half right down the center. Need a longer cutting board. Awesome, so we got our pork loin cut in half here. Now we're just going to stuff it. So first, we'll start with a little bit of spinach. Some Swiss cheese. Look at that, perfect amount. Now I'm going to get some ricotta cheese, one of my favorites, and just smear it down. I love ricotta cheese, so I'm putting extra. Alright, so you got your ricotta cheese on. Now we got already sliced some onions here. I don't got to bore you with slicing onions. Then we're going to take some banana peppers. Go right down the line here. Put a couple more dabs of ricotta cheese. Add a little bit more spinach. And then we're just gonna close her up. Ooh, yeah. Daddy like, daddy like. To help keep this together, we're just gonna give it a little bit of twine. Get it underneath. Give her a nice tie. Woo! Done. Man, breaking a sweat. Alright, next what we're going to do to help our rub stick a little bit, just get a little bit of mustard, not a lot. Rub it on the outside of your pork loin. Then we got some rub some butt seasoning. And we're just going to coat her on, flip it back. Cut these in half. Get some rub on your ends. Number one, number two. Man, these are some monster stuffed pork loins. And that's it from here. We're just gonna go pop these around the smoker. Shit. Alright, so we got our smoker set to 225 apple wood chips in the smoker. With pork, we're looking for that internal temp of 145, but I'm gonna pull it at 140. I got my Inkbird thermometers in there, so I'm gonna pull it when I hit the 140 mark. Tent it, let it rest for a little bit to rise up to that 145 temperature. We're gonna give a little brush of a mix of honey and apple juice at the 1 hour mark just to get it a little bit more moisture while it's cooking. This is only gonna take about 2 or 3 hours, so just monitor your temps and then we'll pull it out and eat. We just pull these out of the smoker, tent it for about 15 minutes, just shy of 2 hours. But again, pay attention to your internal temps. Man, these look awesome. It smells delicious. My mouth is watering. I'm just gonna cut my twine off. Oh man, everything's just already looks amazing. It's just dripping out. I'm gonna cut this bad boy right down the center. And let's just take a look. Ooh, look at that. That looks delicious. Perfect color in this pork loin. It is still so juicy. That is amazing. Just, oh, the cheese, the vegetables inside, everything's cooked perfectly. Woohoo, daddy! The cheese and the peppers, again, it's messy, but who cares? Unbelievable. God, I could just eat this forever. Hit me with number two. I'm a mess, but it is so worth it. Stuff this thing with whatever you want, but how we did it here, man, highly recommended. Pop this in your smoker. You're gonna love it. Stay tuned for the next video.